reporting. So GP's got its different reports and forms, which is either report writer or Word templates, right? We've got Smart List Designer if you're using that, or if you've got GP's Smart List, and then you add Smart List Builder with Navigation List Builder. Now you're getting, really that's GP's best reporting tools, and you get close to what Acumatica's generic inquiry capabilities are out of the box. Again, I'm not having to add anything to Acumatica. That's the core of Acumatica. So all those widgets that you saw, all the dashboards, everything is based on grab that data, whatever data you need to just expose, and it's all within the within Acumatica. Right, GP's got Management Reporter for financial report writing, and it's got AFA if anybody still uses that in GP. Advanced Financial Analysis, obviously, different being Management Reporter, sits outside of GP, separate altogether, and you have to run that from within MR. And unfortunately, it's a separate database. So again, data mart syncs and issues can happen, and then we have to refresh the data mart. In Acumatica's case, it's all built in, so they call theirs ARM, or Analytical Report Manager. And so, but they both have very similar concepts, rows and columns. Again, it's all built inside Acumatica. So we're looking at financial statements in Acumatica. They're all here. Again, you can build as many as you want. It's all just rows and columns. So, all different versions. Again, you can run these reports. They're built inside of Acumatica. See, you've got the drill back capabilities. So you can design these however you want. Drill back to the details. Again, this is another report. Again, you can keep drilling back all the way to the transactions if you want to. So all this is built right in. I hit the pencil here to edit report. And basically, this is where I get my report definition. And we've got, our different sections. So we got our row sets and our column sets, very similar to MR in the way it's designed, right? And so we can drill into that and see all of that structure. Again, very similar in a lot of ways. Again, fast, not nearly as, again, we have some customers with very large data sets in MR, and it takes a long time to run those MR reports, whereas, like I said, Acumatica runs much faster on large data sets. GP's got its KPIs. Again, those KPIs that I saw on the homepage. Again, I can scroll through these, right? But I don't have, they're not clickable, really, they're not actionable. It's more static auditing. GP's got very little auditing in it, right? So without adding another add-on, right? So Rockton Auditor or one of the other auditing tools that we might add to GP to give you some level of detail on who changed what when, right? So we're in Acumatica. I go to a vendor, and maybe I want to start auditing the vendor screen. Again, all I need is security access. I go to audit history. If I enable field level auditing, now I can say what fields from what tables do I want audited, and it's going to start tracking who changed what when, right? So very field level auditing on top of field level security. So when it comes to field level security, you can be controlling whether or not someone sees a field, whether or not they can edit field on any given screen. Acumatica's Report Designer is all built right in. So again, when it comes to true reports, I can build any report in Acumatica's Report Designer, and then I can create new reports. And all we do is take that and add it to the sitemap. And basically, you can customize whatever you want to show where on the sitemap. And so now you can add all the reports. You can create a new report in Report Designer, upload it, give it a screen name, and put it on whatever workspace you want to, or create a brand new workspace, which is maybe custom reports, anything. Again, it's all built in. You don't have any, you're not fighting to have to create a custom report, and then how do I run my custom report from GP? Well, it's not easy, right? You can create a custom report in Report Designer, but you can't really add it to the screen to be able to have your users use it. For most of our Acumatica clients, the users don't know what's custom and what's not. It's just there. Everything looks the same. Built right in. Yeah, we've talked about generic inquiries, analytical report. Again, audit history. Again, so here would be an example of turning on that audit history and we can add it, auditing the address details to say, anytime someone changes that, I want to know who changed it and when, what it was, what it is now.